Kore haere kia iho I ngā wā katoa, ko te wānga I tautuka mai, ai nei ake ai. So whānau, we're coming to the end of the first day of the next 100 days leading up to the 100th celebration of our Maramatanga. So just quickly, I want to thank those who took time out this morning just to participate and share some whakaaro in terms of some of the topics they want to see shared over the next 100 days. And obviously over the next 100 days we'll endeavour to share some of that kōrero. But I guess just tonight, I feel that it is really important, firstly, just to make sure that we are very clear about what we're celebrating this year. So whānau, we just got to pay attention to this, that this year is the celebration of our Maramatanga. This is not the celebration of our hahi. The hahi was set up 7 years after the Wairoka became in 1925. Now when 2025 comes, we can celebrate the founding of our church. But this year, we will be celebrating 100 years of the Holy Spirit visiting tau kōtiki with Maramatanga in the form of a burning cloud in Maramatanga. So that is how our Maramatanga started, and that's what we're celebrating this year. Kia ora tātou, I rārenga manake tanga tātou hariki, ko te māngai tautuka mai, ai nei ake.